Hello friends, welcome to our channel Statisticians Hub. I hope you are liking your stay in our channel. Our today's topic is scatterplot in SPSS and feeding a straight line. Myself Barnali Das Chaudhary, Masters 3rd Sem, Department of Statistics, Assam University, Silchar. So, let us know first about scatterplot. What is scatterplot? It is a graphical representation of the relationship between two continuous variables. What it does, it displays individual data points on a two-dimensional graph with one variable on the x-axis and another on the y-axis. What it signifies, each point represents the value of both variables for a single observation in the dataset. Now let's take an example and see its working. Let's say you have a dataset containing information about students, including their reading score and their writing scores. The scatter plot looks like this, and this is the best fit line. Now, let's move to the uses of scatter plots. The uses are correlation analysis, as you can see, then regression analysis, then our data exploration, then quality control, decision making, and comparison. So friends, without wasting our time, let's move to SPSS. Here we can see that there are three variables, age, height, and weight respectively. And the height and weight of different ages are provided here, and we have to draw a scatter diagram of height versus weight. For this, we move to variable view. In variable view, we see that the age is of type numeric with weight 2 and decimal 1, and the measure is scale, and the same is done for height and weight. For doing scatter plot, let's again move to data view and click on graph. After clicking on graph, there appears legacy dialogues. In legacy dialogues, we can see various graphs are there. Since we are interested to do scatter plot, just click on scatter plot and then simple scatter and then define. Since we are dealing with the variable such as height and weight, so let's take the height of the boys in the x-axis and the weight of the boys in the y-axis. Generally, we know that the weight is dependent on height. So, we can take the height as the independent variable here. After doing this, just click on OK, and then there appears our graph. Since we have to fit a straight line, just double click on the graph. Then there appears another tab, and there we can find elements and click on fit line at total. As it is previously selected as linear, just click the close button, and after clicking, we can see that there is a level to our line. Now we can see that here in the line, y is the weight of the boys and x represents the height. So if we know the height of any individual, we can easily estimate the weight with the help of the equation. If you like this video, then please keep loving our channel in this way. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.